Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice math problem. A plus B is equal to 12. Then AB is equal to 40. We want to find the value of A and the value of B. Solution. We have A plus B is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 1. Then AB is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 12. B is equal to 12 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, AB is equal to 40. Now let us substitute for B. B is 12 minus A. We have A bracket 12 minus A is equal to 40. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 12. 12A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 40. Then we have minus A square plus 12A. Then if you take this 40 to this side, become minus 40 is equal to 0. Then let's divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. We have minus A square divided by minus 1. This is A square. Then plus 12A divided by minus 1. This is minus 12A. Then minus 40 divided by minus 1. This is plus 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is giving us A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 12, C is equal to 40. Then A is equal to minus bracket minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then from here, A is equal to minus multiplied by minus 12. This is 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square, that is 144, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40, that is 160 over 2 to multiply by 1, that is 2. This is the same thing as 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 160, that is minus 16 over 2. A is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 can be written as square root of minus 16 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then this is the same thing as 12 plus or minus 4I over 2. Then A is equal to 12 over 2 plus or minus 4I over 2. 3a1, 3a6, 3a1, 3a2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 6 plus 2I, and a2 is equal to 6 minus 2I. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 12 minus A. Now B1 is equal to 12 minus A1 is 6 plus 2I, and B2 is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 2I. Then B1 is equal to 12. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 6 minus 2I. B1 is equal to 12 minus 6. This is 6 minus 2I. This is the value of B1. Also, B2, this is equal to 12 minus 6 plus 2I. B2 is equal to 6 plus 2I. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 6 plus 2I, 6 minus 2I. Then A2, B2, this is equal to 6 minus 2I, 6 plus 2I. Then you can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: A plus B is equal to 12. Then AB is equal to 40. Let us consider this using either A1, B1 or A2, B2, but I'm going to make use of this A1, B1. Now we have A plus B. This is same thing as 6 plus 2I plus 6 minus 2I is equal to 12. Then this cancel this. 6 plus 6 must be equal to 12. Then 6 plus 6, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. Also, let's consider this. AB, this is 6 plus 2I multiplied by 6 minus 2I must be equal to 40. Then 6 times 6, this is 36, minus 6 times 2I, this is 12I, plus 2I times 6, 12I. Then 2I multiplied by minus 2I, this is minus 4 multiplied by I square, must be equal to 40. And this is 36. This cancel this. Minus 4 multiplied by I square is minus 1, must be equal to 40. This is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1. This is plus 4 must be equal to 40. 36 plus 4, here is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.